Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal Visa card. First, ensure you have an active, verified PayPal account, which is a crucial step for starting the application process. You must be at least 18 years old to apply, and you also need to be a United States resident with a valid Social Security number. Meeting these initial eligibility requirements will significantly help streamline your application for this useful card. Once logged into your PayPal account, either online or through the official mobile application, navigate directly to the Wallet section. Here, you will typically find various options related to your financial tools. Search for a link or button that says something like Apply for a PayPal credit card or Explore PayPal credit products to begin your application. The application form will prompt you for essential personal details, including your full name, current address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your Social Security number and details about your employment and income. Take your time to fill out each section accurately, double-checking all entries before submitting to avoid any potential delays or issues. Once your application is submitted, it immediately enters a thorough credit review process, often involving a check of your credit report. You will typically receive an approval or denial notification within 5 to 7 business days via email or within your PayPal account. A strong credit history significantly improves your chances of approval and may lead to more favorable card terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.